I started the recording, not. Okay, anyways. Hey, it's D. V's not here. My boo is. I call her my boo because we're like Snooki and JWoww. She's Snooki and I'm JWoww.
I don't know why I'm talking.
Because she had a big poof in her hair.
Yeah, someone with a poof. Really? Why?
As you can see, my house is kind of Native American. Because my uncle likes it. My uncle lives with me. I don't really like it because there's just kind of sad. Anyways.
I don't think people heard you.
They weren't supposed to. Okay. Who wants to see my dog? I'm sorry, I had lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of sugar. This is like a step.
She's a nuthead.
Ah!
I love Facebook. Facebook is good. It's good stuff.
Savannah's not here. Savannah, or V, is in Savannah, Georgia, or on her way with my ex-boyfriend. Just
His
kidding.
name is Austin Cruz.
Oh, my socks are disgusting because I walked outside barefoot.
He's like a nice kid. And all.
Ah!
Don't make fun of fat people. I am a fat person. Don't make fun of fat people.
Can you take my sock off?
No. Weirdo. Is this live?
Mhm.
I'm gonna be on YouTube.
As you know, or as you don't know.
Yeah, so true. The way it looks
Let's
like.
see
that's
what
how, like,
I'm
it feels
gonna
like
do. Ooh, I'll sing a song. How about that? Go on YouTube. Kim.
Are you on YouTube?
Yeah. I'm going to type in a song. Okay.
I'm not in your room. Chill out, bud. I'm not, dude. I'm not.
We're
in your
gonna
room.
sing
Chill out, bud.
Thrift Shop. Wait, hold on. We're gonna sing Thrift Shop.
Alright, boy.
We're singing Thrift Shop. We're gonna sing Thrift Shop.
No, I'm not singing.
I'm gonna sing. What?
I'm not singing.
What?
It was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it, about to go and get some compliments. Got some knock on those pockets, someone else.
Hey, Mom!
I ain't touching the profit and saving my money, and I'm hella happy that's the bargain. Bitch, I'ma take your grandma style. I'ma take your grandma style. No, for real, ask your grandpa, can I have a hand-me-down? You know a jumpsuit and some house slippers. Get round with a jacket that I found. They had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a big blanket, and I bought a keyboard. Hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my friends game. Hell no, I can take it for weights, make them cool, sell those. Think I have to be like, oh, he got the bell roll. Awesome bag, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a number.
This is awesome. $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a number. This is awesome.
What you know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What you know about wearing a fur fox? But I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Your granddad, or donating that flat button up shirt, cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm Mr. Girl, you can find me in the. I'm not like a person in the section. Your Grammy, your aunt, your mama, your mammy. I'll take those flannel zebra chamois secondhand and rock that motherfucker. The building onesie with the socks on, that motherfucker. I hit the party and they stop.
short t-shirt.
Limited edition with this simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt. That's just something to resist. That's getting swindled as hell. That's getting cheap by this shirt. Hella dope. And that was the same one as for the people in this club. It's a hella dope. Gang, come look, I look through my telescope. Trying to get girls for my brand. Man, you hella wrong. Man, you hella wrong.
Coat. Thanks.
Can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Keep calling.
Okay, that was me and a little bit of WS.